we're here. Hey lovelies, how you all doing? I hope you're fine. It's the Beniben here. So last week, that's my daughter who showed up here to show you all guys how to make how she used sabulu for a wash day. So today I'm here and we're saying thank you guys for the subscription. Thank you for subscribing to us. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comments. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So it's we just started our YouTube channel again last week and it's been massive. We've gotten over 100 subscribers. It makes us so happy seeing all the likes, the comments, the subscribers, and make us feel so much happy that you guys are showing us love. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can help us grow. We share hair tips, DIYs, and different hairstyles. So thank you guys. So today we're gonna be doing I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make flat twisting. So now let's go down. So in this tutorial, I'm actually going to be using my hair mayonnaise to do this flat twisting, to do this twist. I'm going to be using my mayonnaise, my Chebe hair mayonnaise. You all know I like Chebe products, so this is my product, Beniben Chebe hair mayonnaise, which I'm going to be using for this twist. Okay, so I have my spray bottle here that I'm using taking down all my twists. Okay, so make sure before you untwist your hair or your braids, make sure you moisturize. If you don't have the hair mist, make sure you have water in your bottle, your hair bottle, your hairspray bottle, so you can bring down your braids. So when you're twisting from this side, you are going up, and when you are doing it from this side, you are going up. So it's not like you go up down, you have to go up like this. So you take your first two open, so you cross and take the one up, you take the one up and pick your hair from below, take the one up, pick your hair from below. Benjamin. So guys, this might really look very tricky, but it's actually simple. Just watch the way I pat my fingers, then you will really understand it. So you will notice that I actually didn't losing all my braids. I just moisturized with water and my hair mayonnaise. Reason being that I didn't want to do a fresh pattern on my hair to enable make enable me make this video very easy. I didn't actually want to stress doing this video. So that's why I had to leave my braids. I just bring out the twist. I detangle with mayonnaise and water and just start the flat twisting for easy weaving. You understand? So what actually brought about this flat twisting was that over here where I stay, I've actually tried to get hair salons where I could make nice, neatly made flat twists. But I found out that most hair salons don't know how to, the stylists, they don't know how to do flat twisting. So I decided to be doing it myself and also for my daughter. You understand? So I did it for my daughter last week. I think a Sunday. Yes, that was what she had for school. Her hairstyle for school for the week. So I decided to share my knowledge with you guys here, so you could learn how to do this if you also find yourself in the same situation as mine. So you could do this flat twisting for yourself and other person. So if you find this tutorial very useful and educative, kindly give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to hit the like button, comment down below, let us know what you think. If you know I did well, please let me know. If there's something you're finding difficult, let me know. So I really appreciate your opinion about this flat twisting tutorial I actually did. Thank you guys, and I do enjoy the rest of the video.
You make me sing about happy things in you. Make my heart ring. I feel just like a spoonful of joy. I twirl like a toy, rushing with sunshine, lifting my voice. You just make me want to sing. I'm taken in. I feel warm and toasty. I just love it when you got this way of bringing me up, smoothing me out, rounding my edges, trashing the rut. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy, with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. Like daydream-inspired blue, fresh morning wind. Each whisper of you floats round my mind, drifts out of time, bounces through heaven, 'cause you're so divine. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy, with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yes, you make me wanna sing. Do 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 do. You make me wanna sing. I'm taken in. I feel warm and toasty. I just love it when you got this way of bringing me up, smoothing me out, rounding my edges, trashing the rut. You just make me want to sing. I see you here beside me. It's better than before. You sail me straight to happy, with so much more in store. I can't contain this stirring urge of singing. Do 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 do. Like daydream-inspired blue, fresh morning